Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be comparing the GG Marmont leather key case and the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder. So if you're trying to decide between both of these key cases or you just like to know a little bit more, just keep on watching. So first I'll be talking about the Gucci key case. The dimensions are 3.75 inches across, 2.5 inches in height, and 1 inch in width. As you can see in the front, it has the gold tone hardware with the double GG. It is made of leather. It's also available in black and other materials. This is what the inside looks like. This side doesn't have a pocket, but this one has one slip pocket. It also has a leather flap. There are 5 regular size rings with one exception for the car key, which is a little bit bigger. This is what my keys looks like, and I decided to put a card to show how it fits. And unfortunately, it does not fit. It kind of hits the corner. So that's what it looks like when it's closed. This is the top, the side, and it does hang out a bit on the bottom. So next I'll be talking about the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder, and I have mine in the Damier Graphite. This one has a silver hardware, and this is made of canvas. It is also available in different materials and canvases. So the dimensions are 4.25 inches in length, 2.75 inches in height, and about 1 inch in depth. So this is what the interior looks like. It has no pockets on either side, and this one says Louis Vuitton made in France. And as you can see, all the rings are the same size with silver hardware and says Louis Vuitton on top. There is a little space in the back, enough room for an ID or a credit card, so when you're running errands you can just bring this with you. And again, this is what my keys looks like inside. And with this one, my car key doesn't really stick out as much. This is what the top looks like on the side and the bottom. And this is just me showing what it looks like to have the card inside, and it does close pretty nicely. And this is what they look like side by side. And as you can tell, the Louis Vuitton one is a little bit longer, and it is a little bit wider as well. But they're very similar in depth. So the biggest difference I would say is the interior. There is one slip pocket in the Gucci key case that you can probably put cash in, but does not fit a card. But the one with Louis Vuitton, it does have room for a credit card. So the biggest pro I would say for both is that both materials are pretty durable. The canvas in the Damier Graphite has a black interior, which helps reduce the look of wear and tear on the inside. And the Gucci is made of pebbled leather, which is pretty durable. Another pro I would say is that they both offer a type of slip pocket, which you can use for a credit card or cash, which can be really helpful if you're running errands and you don't really want to bring too much with you in the store. So if I only had one choice, I would probably pick the Louis Vuitton 6 key holder, just because I like the fact that the interior is black and the hardware is silver, so you're not going to really see too much wear on it for a long time. But what I do like about the Gucci key case is it looks very luxurious with the GG gold hardware. And of course, you can't go wrong with leather. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my comparison between the two key cases from Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.